cookies. They look so yummy. Just like that, sweetie.
You're doing great, Lina. Look at that perfect swirl.
It looks amazing. Would you like some cookies? I just finished baking them. Guess what? We are baking cookies right now. We are? Oh my gosh, cookies! I love cookies. I will help. I promise I can do it, but just tell me what to do first.
Are you ready to see how we make the cake, sweetie?
Wow, look at all the ingredients.
Look how cute she is sitting there.
She wants some cake mix.
It's almost ready, Mimi.
And that's how you make sure every cookie is perfect, and you just have to be gentle.
You're a wonderful teacher, Mia.
They look delicious.
You gently spoon the flour into the cup, then use a knife to level it off.
Level it? Why can't I just scoop it? Are those ready yet? I thought you said they needed more time.
It's okay, Lina. You're doing wonderfully. Just like that, see? You've almost got it.
I did it.
Okay, gently now. That's it. Just roll it nice and slow across the dough. You are doing a wonderful job. See how we level it with the knife? That makes sure it's exactly 1 cup. Uh-oh.
Wow, it's perfect.
I get it now. See, just 1 more scoop exactly like the last one, level it off gently, and right into the bowl. You're doing wonderfully.
Guess what? I got the lead role in the school play. I'm gonna be the star.
You rolled that dough perfectly, sweetie.
I did it all by myself.
We are so proud of you, Lina.
So first, we add exactly 1 cup of sugar. Not too much, or the cookies will be too sweet.
That's right, sweetie. Good job explaining.
This is a whole cup. But if we only fill it up to here, that's half a cup.
Ooh, half. I see.
Why does the dough need to rest before we bake the cookies?
Because it helps make them soft and chewy, sweetie.
See this part here? This is called the crumb coat. You have to let it set before you add the final layer of frosting. So if we fill the cup only up to this line here, that means we have exactly 1/2 of a cup.
Oh, I get it now. Oh my gosh, cookies! I'm so excited! Mimi, look! My fingers are dancing. Do you want to dance too? You're so fluffy.
Ow, he's helping.
He's so fluffy.
Oh my goodness, he's so silly.
It's all right, Daddy. Everything is going to be fine. We still have plenty of time before dinner.
Great teamwork, sweetie. See how smooth it's getting.
We're making the best cookies ever.
So good.
Look at that smile. It's perfect.
Look at that. You've really mastered the frosting technique, Lina.
It looks perfect, doesn't it? I couldn't have done it without you, David. Remember, the most important ingredient is always love. When you bake with your heart, everything is perfect.
I love her so much, and she's the best present ever.